Am I recording that whole time? I can't see much here. Okay, let's try over here. This is Rogers Conservation Center. Rogers Environmental Education Center. Starts off with the Cunningham Ice Pond. Bathrooms are not near the parking lot. They are a walk, and little man is running to hurry there. And a nice little picnic area here, pavilion. Nice little pond. The Rogers State Game Farm. There are a lot of lily pads in this little pond. Very pretty. And here are the fish. Doesn't say particularly if there are fish in the pond or if it's just cool fish. And here we are. The bridge, this says no vehicles beyond this point. Something in the water right there. It's a big fish. That is a big fish. There's a big fish that just went off here or under here. Look at
There's more over here.
you can see them?
Well, one just went underneath those lily pads.
One just went under the bridge. He's probably he's right there.
Yep, those are carp.
Huge.
There's another one.
Huge carp.
Yeah, those are carp. Even more over in the shallows there.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, it's just a swarm of them. You want to know why?
Why?
How much you want to bet people feed them here?
I wonder what they feed them.
Anything. They're carp. They're bottom feeders. They'll eat anything. Gideon, do you see all these huge fish over here? Even there's some little tiny sunfish underneath us.
Oh, will they eat humans?
No, God, Gideon, nothing here.
Oh, snapping turtle?
Oh yeah, Gideon. Do you see the head sticking up by that lily pad right there? The shell behind it? Right ahead of me. Look good. That's a snapping turtle. You see it going under now? You see the claws kind of moving as it's swimming? That's a snapping turtle.
Wow.
Yeah, move over so you can get a better view. Or not, okay. That's super cool to just see a snapper just sort of cruising along there.
I think I just saw a tin one, guys.
I believe you. God, there's a lot of carp. That's so cool to see a snapping turtle just like that.
Oh, I see their faces. Oh, cool. They kind of look
You getting a good shot of that dinosaur face on?
Yeah.
Oh, Gideon, you see the turtle swimming now?
Yep.
All right, Gideon, if you ever see a turtle like that out on land, don't go near it. Because that's called a snapping turtle, and they have a big, strong mouth, and what they'll do is they'll bite at you if they feel threatened.
I feel fine. That's like they be a human.
No. It's not about if they see a human. It's about if they feel threatened. They need to feel like you are going to hurt them, and then they will fight back because they think you're going to hurt them.
Where is that?
He just swam under.
He swam underneath, buddy.
Oh,
Maybe.
please, something off ice. Please stay off the ice. Yeah, maybe he's chilling under the bridge,
Maybe he's in
getting
the
out
shade.
of the sun for a little bit. Jess, if you haven't seen this, you may want to check that out.
Win a Tesla?
Literally October 21st is the drawing. October 3rd, they're having an electric car show here. And you get 5 entries for $20.
Here are the bathrooms. Wait, there's a heron.
I'll go to it. Wait, they're going away. The left thing.
Okay. Well, we'll see if we even can, buddy, because you see they got a lot of fencing and stuff up over here to our left, because that whole area is closed off right now.
Doing a lot of construction. There's another access to the pond.
Do you want to go first in case there's a heron?
No, I think I got it flying away through the trees, but
Where are we going, buddy? How close are we?
Pretty close.
Okay.
what's in there?
Yeah. What's the there?
This pavilion in front of you.
Stop staring at the phone. Look around.
Wow.
The phone's not going anywhere, buddy. You can-
Actually, we need to, if we want to try for this one, we need to cut in here.
Okay, then. You guys have a phone in the directions. Lead the way. I'm just walking.
Looks like they built like a fort with tables in here.
Yeah.
You see that, buddy?
My guess is they have like little shows and.
For some reason, it reminds me of Conan, like the Sumerian hovels.
Yeah, kind of that circular dome structure. All right, we should play Conan. How close are we, buddy?
Yeah, I heard something about a locked gate. This is probably the locked gate for the geocache that we are not going to be able to get to.
We're finally there.
Found some geese.
We're 19 feet away. It says it's over here.
It says it over here.
Yep.
Where is...
Buddy.
Wait, it didn't update. Ooh, watch it. There's a big hole right there. I just ripped my ankle off.
Yeesh.
Where's the hole?
Right here, buddy.
Yeah, we can't get to it. It is indeed
Through that gate?
through here. Yep. It's outside the visitor center.
Hmm.
Do you see the water? Now do you see that mud down there? Notice how the mud is the same level as the water? That means that mud is super wet and super soft. So I know that if you step on it, you're gonna sink right down. Hold on, look out. Watch this. Then we can test it. Right? I think that mud is super soft. So if I throw this stick, what should it do when it hits it?
Sink.
It probably won't sink under it, but it'll probably get stuck in it. Yep. Now imagine if a big heavy Gideon stepped there.
It very stinking. I want.
This stick is very much into the earth. I'm not going to be able to javelin that one. That's a shame. That would be fun.
There might be more sticks over there.
Uh-huh. Just one. Maybe two. Move back. Grab that one. You want to hold it towards the middle. That's not the middle. No, the middle of the stick, buddy.
Do you want to watch Daddy first?
Are your hands at the middle of the stick? Does that feel like the middle of the stick? You'll know because when you get to the middle, it will feel the lightest. See, look. See how my hand is between one end and the other? All right, then now you want to do this. You throw it like a spear, so you get your arm, yep, up over a shoulder. And then when you're ready, you shove your arm forward and you let go like this. Ready? Watch me. Turn so you can see. But you see how that stick chunked into the mud? So, we grab it at the middle, we bring your arm up like this. Now you're gonna throw your arm forward, so your arm's gonna straighten like this, and then you let go when the stick's at the top. But careful, if you don't hold it up well, it's gonna scratch you. Ready? Throw. Not bad. Not bad at all, buddy. Because according to this, we are moving away from it.
Oh, are we?
According to this, we are moving directly west and into south from us. But it has the water being over here.
So then, can we go this way?
Instead over. Yeah, I think so. Now we're pointing towards it. Is this a different geocache?
It's a geocache adventure. Flowers are pretty.
No.
And when you hit the waypoint, that's where we get the next clue.
This thing updates about once every 7.5 minutes. So who knows how far we got to go. Alright, well, we're going through some ugly areas.
Are we?
Hope you're all ready for it. This is what you wanted to do.
It looks like somebody has already been through here.
It does indeed.
I wonder too.
All the beautiful flowers on the way.
Wow, they are so beautiful.
They are very pretty, huh?
Yeah, but I'm not even flying enough.
Should I take a picture of you in the flowers? Why don't you give me your hand? Oh, goodness.
This is all mine. How did Daddy get through? Daddy, how did it use a rock?
Alright,
What is all of this over here?
compost.
Huh.
Where are you?
Bunch of composting. They have a trail guide. Do you think we need a trail guide? Okay.
You like too.
Well, I guess those are the trails.
Dad, I might choose one.
The channel's trail goes around the marsh and back to the entrance.
It looks like we need the channels trail.
Let's go.
Okay. On YouTube forward. And saying choose which one and you choose first.
Sorry, little rocks in my shoe. Yeah, there's a little stream over there.
I'm scared something's swimming.
It might have.
Yep.
This is in the natural healthy area. Try to limit how much
Pretty little stream. I'm coming.
Well, I don't know if this has something to do with whatever Mommy.
It seems like we need to hug the water for this.
Yeah, that's not happening.
Well,
Of the water?
I'm not going through that.
no, we're not going through. I think we need to stay on the trails. It's just not the most direct route, which we're not going to take the most direct route because water.
The water one must be the first one, guys. So I think we're going on a white trail. Exactly.
Well, we know it's right.
It's got some cool knobby formations on this tree.
There are roots too.
That's what I meant, the knobby roots. Watch out for tree trunks.
There's a little chapter on my arm, but I did use my hands and arms to some of
Yeah, but they like to stand on top of the grass. They like to get on animals' legs. Then they crawl up from there. Like I said, buddy, we'll shower when we get home. Just to make sure. Besides, today's a shower day anyway. Because we didn't shower yesterday. South Trail? No, we're on the Channel Trail. Good job. There's nothing else, but it's just those two. Yes, that's just a red thing. It doesn't say anything.
It's a heck of a view.
Fun fact, do you know why this is here?
Storm drain?
Nope.
Why?
That's to stop the carp from going that way.
Oh, yeah, there's it's a down
Yep.
like waterfall.
Yep, that's to stop the carp from trying to get into other environments.
Fun.
I see a smallmouth out there under
Where?
the tree.
That little one?
Yep.
I can't see.
You probably can't, buddy. Actually, there's several of them out there.
Can't really get a beat on it. It's too blurry.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a little thing sticking up the water. And now it went back under. Was that a smallmouth? It was very tiny.
No, a smallmouth is a type of fish. Gideon.
Oh.
So left, if you want to stay near the water. This is a pretty cool trail though.
This one has been here for a long time.
Why do you say that?
Because the trail itself is really worn down. So people have been walking this for a long time. This isn't like they just started it. Long enough that the trees and stuff have been cut or have grown around it. You know, you're talking about like, I don't know, 100-year-old trail.
What is this?
Or do you
Pinecone.
think it's just been well used?
No, this is old. I bet you this has been here since the Nature Education Center started.
I thought I moved in a lot.
Yeah. You're gonna see lots of things.
It's a healthy habitat, buddy.
Yep. The water's gonna be full of stuff. Bugs and fish, frogs, snails, mostly bugs.
Watch your step.
Because I went over there.
Cicadas.
cicada.
No, they just stopped. Yeah. Now that I said something and they stopped.
There we go. Yep, that's a cicada. You hear that loud sound, Gideon? That's a cicada. Do you remember the dead one we saw in our pool?
Yeah.
That little bug makes that big noise.
That is a cicada.
Yep.
I will say, I was hoping for more nature.
What's that, Gideon?
I don't know
That's fine.
that one if I see another sign here, no
This is the
point.
nice trail, though.
It is a nice trail. It's a lot nicer than the one we're used to.
That's because this is the maintained trail.
We're normally on the non-maintained trails.
We're normally on trails that have been called trails because a couple people walked that way once.
Which way should we go? There's an arrow pointing that way.
Oh, should we follow the arrow?
Yeah.
Sure.
We need to stay by the water anyway.
Worst case scenario, we go backwards. Back the way we came.
No. When I saw her first, I saw the same sign.
Okay.
So that meant we were supposed to go this way.
I wonder if somebody's staked out the pathway.
Well, yeah, those stakes are used to hold the giant logs in place. Because the logs in this area have sunk over time.
Well, because look, I guess we go.
Oh, check this out. It's a shade, buddy. Do you know what this is for? This is so you could see the wildlife without them seeing you and getting scared. But there's really not much wildlife out there right now.
I moved from reading.
Although this is
Nice.
also apparently all that is. Just this
Little benches.
spot.
Yeah, well, it's not like the sign had any writing on it anymore.
Geocache.
Oh, though it's not here, buddy. It's
We're
further.
gonna have to go back and keep going.
We're back on the main trail.
Well, now things are just creeping me out.
Why is it creeping you out?
Because
This is one of the nicest trails we've ever been on.
it's creeping me out because I swear I saw a sign that had a look. And just when I came out of there, poof, a sign was gone.
You thought you saw a sign and then it disappeared?
Yep, I swear I saw a sign.
Yeah, somebody's got to like manicure these like trees and bushes.
I swear I saw a sign. Why
I heard everything you said, Gideon.
And I'm also scared.
Then get over it.
There's nothing to be scared of, buddy. You want to know what that means? That means you thought you saw something, but you didn't.
Yep.
Curving back around. Yeah, there's really no like deviating off of these trails, is
there
there?
is, but man,
It would be really hard.
Yeah, it would be some serious pathfinding.
Number 4?
Yep,
We didn't have number 3.
you're right. We didn't.
Then this is weird.
No, probably just because number 3 fell over.
Or we just didn't see it.
Yeah, maybe something grew over it.
It looks like out there
Yeah, that looks like our next stop. Out
there's
in
a
the middle
little
of the swamp.
thing in the middle of the swamp.
No, but we will be soon.
Look at this tree. That's cool. That tree's really holding on for dear life.
Right.
It's at a little bit of a slant.
Yeah. And so you see how it grew all those extra roots to try to hold on.
Yeah, this is only one of their trails. They must, I wonder if all their trails are this well maintained.
I doubt it. The only reason I say that is because, man, this one must see some serious foot traffic. but they're not. Gideon knows I'm real.
He said dinosaur bones?
They're dinosaurs.
All right, we are heading to the Overlook.
See this big one? But follow it back.
Maybe we'll see some wildlife out here. Oop, you all right, buddy?
Alright, now we're going out the road. Yeah, I will go back that way. So you didn't look. This is number 5.
Isn't all this duck, or what is it, duckweed?
Yep, that's duckweed. Right back where I pointed at it.
All right. I have a camera in one hand, and what you haven't seen is I've got this in my other hand. We are on an adventure. And when you get to these places, you answer questions. This little pathway to the water. Oh, here we go. This way, marsh.
Are we to
This way.
Geocache yet, Mommy?
It's right out here, buddy.
Right out here?
There's something in the water right here. Lots of little bubbles. You see all those bubbles? What do you think is there, Eric?
What are you talking about?
All the bubbles.
Are those bubbles or are those bugs? Those are little tiny fish. Take a look over here. You can see them moving.
Yep, I do.
All the little black tadpoles, those are fish.
I don't see little black marks.
They have. Do you know why they're in the shallows, buddy? Why do you think?
Why do you think little tiny fish would hide in the really shallow water over here?
Oh, for predators not to get near.
Very good,
Good
buddy.
job,
Very
buddy.
good.
You're so smart. Did you see all the giant fish earlier? What do you think they eat?
Anything that fits in their mouth.
Anything that fits in their mouth? Oh my.
Yep, just
There's
like
even more over
frogs.
here.
Because frogs don't fit whatever they have. They can fit in their mouth.
They're not moving as much over here.
Nope.
Yeah, these are all shallows. All right.
Something bigger over there.
Something bigger?
I don't see.
I'm not seeing anything over there.
No, but something arrowed through the water right there in that break. So it might be hiding underneath all of the pond stuff.
Okay, so
This is where Geocache
I believe we are
You can pop up here.
at the location. Yay! Now we continue on to the next location, which is just north of all of this. So I guess heading back on the trail, and it says, "Let's spy a bird." Let's spy a bird.
Part of this trail. Because we're supposed to do this by going to each place.
I feel like it's going to be another blind, like the last one was.
I'm wondering if it's going to be some sort of informational thing like, hey, here's a bald eagle. Like up on this tree.
Like a ball go map.
Yep.
I wonder if you need a ball go class.
We didn't get to see the bald eagles this year.
I'm looking out for any birds.
Gideon, the hint is we're not anywhere near where we need to be. Oh, but do we go north here?
I don't know. Or do we come over here? I'll check over here.
Well, I mean, we can explore either way.
See that little hole? That means there's like a chipmunk or something that lives in there.
Then why didn't they get underwater?
What do you call chipmunks? Birds, like owls. Owls can't get it if they find holes. So it's safer for us.
That way.
Here's another one.
Yep, there's another one.
Oh, geez. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom,
And here's another one underneath these roots.
boom.
Another one over there.
Boom.
So you got some sort of a colony right here, or whatever it is.
What?
Yeah, there's another one there.
Do not poke sticks in the
The
holes.
stick was already in the hole.
Okay.
I think
Yeah, they're all over.
I think
Whatever it is, whether it's a chipmunk or like a mouse or a mole or a vole or something.
Yeah, this trail is not really well maintained.
No, it is not. It makes it infinitely more interesting. Probably more ticks too, but
when will we get to a geocache?
we don't know if we will, buddy. I actually figured this trail, if it wasn't, it was going to be a very short one.
No.
Nope. Good news, bridge back across.
It's just a shortcut.
I don't think it's a shortcut.
No?
I think it's probably just as long as the other pathway. It's just an alternate. Are you sure this isn't it though?
That notice was in another spot too.
And a shoe, because what else would one have here? Oh yeah, we're still a ways away.
Why is there a shoe here?
So this isn't a flip-flop.
It is.
How do you...
Because now we're going to be back on the main trail.
I found another trail.
That's probably the
That's-
trail that we veered off from.
Yep, that's what we turned off of. As it just like continues on.
So we're back on the main trail
We have to go this way now.
and we're heading there.
This part was done more recently. You can see they used
Iron, yeah. Is that iron?
Yeah. Matter of fact, that's the same stuff I've been like forging at.
Rebar?
Yep, just rebar.
Oh, there was just a little chipmunk. Oh, there he is.
Where?
He was hopping through the woods. He's not. Are you kidding? He's not gonna stick around. We're big and scary.
Especially with our big, heavy feet.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
Think we are bears.
Right. We're the size of a bear.
Look at this tree, Eric. That tree's a
Massive one.
thick, massive beast. If both of us hugged that, we wouldn't be able to span that with our arms.
We'd be close, but
I don't even know.
That one's a pretty big one too over there.
Are you squeezing my hand as hard as you can?
Now I do
Is it my turn now? To squeeze your hand as hard as I can?
no.
You know I wouldn't do that. I just give you a little hug and squeeze.
It looks like it's straight ahead, but maybe a little more left.
This one curves
Yeah, and this is gonna bring us back the way we came anyway.
Yeah. Oh. So Gideon, I don't think we're gonna see number 6.
Why?
Take a look, there's a post that got knocked down.
Or is that number 7?
That's number 7.
Okay, I saw number 7, honey.
Good.
I think we might see number 8.
I think that's a pretty good likelihood. The probability is high.
I see the path going down.
You are seeing the path going that way.
I don't really know.
It's also a nice wide path here.
How will we get back?
This will lead us back, buddy. It'll take us all the way back to the bridge. Oh, here's your bird one.
Yeah, but I don't know if that's where it wants us to go.
Oh, doesn't have much choice. That's usually one of the questions about Canada geese.
Check this one out. Woodpecker?
Well, oh, all the holes up there? Yeah. There's a Canada geese notice. Yeah, there's nothing interesting.
There's really not a lot out today, like above water.
Yeah.
All right, answer.
What's the question?
What is this structure called? A bird blind, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. I don't want to leave.
All right.
Now what?
Moving on to the next.
Rogers Amphitheater.
That's the big circular thing, I bet you.
Probably. So, let's head back. We are four out of 5 complete on our adventure.
Yeah, the Sumerian time.
Probably.
Yep.
What is this?
It's something from a video game, buddy.
Video game that Mom and I play. It's just that they make their homes shaped like circles.
Ow, ow, stick, pokey. Mm.
Oh, wouldn't I?
Come on, buddy, we're not digging in the dirt. My goodness, I hurt my
I
foot.
don't know if there is a checkpoint so we know where we were.
Gideon, we're not lost. Don't worry.
And Gideon, you don't need to leave trail marks.
Thank you for the idea.
I know, thank you.
If we keep following this, it will take us right back where we came from. That's the point of trails. That's how trails work. They take you from one point to another. You don't get lost on a trail as long as you stay on. You're a frog.
That did sound like a frog.
Full frog.
I would hope that there are frogs here. Hey, would the carp eat frogs?
Yeah, sure. But don't get me wrong, if the frog's super little, sure, probably. Everything in nature is opportunistic. You know,
Oh, this is a cool looking area.
Cows are not vegetarians. Cows are not obligate vegetarians. They're opportunistic.
There's a lot
carnivores.
of frog noise in this area.
Well, this is shallow. The big fish can't get in here. This is going to be the safest area for them. The only thing they have to concern themselves with here are birds. And there may be no birds.
Oh, look, Gideon, Eric, there's one right here.
Yeah? Slow. Slow tiny frog.
That's really easy to overlook. You see him, buddy? He's a cute one, too.
piranha would love to eat him.
There's also little things moving in this water.
Probably mosquito larvae.
They look bigger than mosquito larvae. Mosquito larvae are super tiny.
Are they little flippy floppy things or like the little beetles that we see buzzing around?
No, they look like tadpoles, but it's not the season for them, right?
Depends on the species.
They're in the shallows, these little black balls with tails. It looks like tadpoles, but it's almost early August.
They're not, they're bugs. They're some kind of bug nymph.
I made that buggy turn around.
You did? How do you make him turn around?
I just ripped one off, then I flopped it, and then he turned around.
Oh, so he saw movement?
Uh-huh.
He probably hoped it was food.
He's cute.
He's a nice looking frog.
What do they eat?
Gideon, what do frogs eat?
Whatever they say in their mouth.
There you go.
I see them. Definitely tadpoles. How big are tadpoles?
Bigger than that. Come on, let's keep going. I'd love to see a newts or something for him, but...
Yeah, I'd love to see more wildlife here.
Come on, buddy.
Flies away.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. I'm surprised he stayed there for so long.
Yeah. Especially with us sitting there talking over him. Here's another post. You think this is supposed to be number 8?
Probably.
It's hard to tell, I know.
If we see number 9, let me know.
We will.
A little bit narrower here.
Imagine being able to just go out into a good natural wilderness like this. Just sort of build a home.
You want to live off the grid?
I need internet. I would love to be able to have a little house with high-speed internet in the woods.
So probably towards the visitor center again.
Yep.
And these aren't small woods either. Very tall, beautiful trees. Just so you get a feel for, just to get a feel for how it is, how tall these are. And then we'll go on tech the rest of our life.
Trying to give my hand a massage.
Excuse me, little boy.
I'm quite
Gideon, you've been doing really well on this trail. No, I just mean his stamina has gotten a lot better. No, he wants his stamina to improve. Right, buddy?
There were deer tracks back there.
Where?
Way back here. You want to see them?
Sure.
Just right up over that log, you see a little V-shaped mud dent.
So a deer came through here.
Yeah.
So that means it's more than likely that there's more ticks in this area.
And you can also see like there are other marks here, but the mud's drier, so it's harder to tell.
So, where do you think it came from? Right through there?
Probably foraging in through here.
I think when I see number 9 and then number 10.
We could be walking by 3 or 4 deer that are bedded down for the day and we'd never know.
And they are very well camouflaged.
Yep. And this looks like the kind of place where you'd often find us hanging out.
There's a lean-to over there.
Yeah, a couple different things people have built in here.
Wanna go check it out?
I do. Let's go forward.
Stay on the brown parts, buddy. Don't go into the green parts.
You need to be careful of
Something died there.
Where?
a bird. Right here in front of you, buddy.
You see all the feathers that are left behind? So something died right there and was plucked clean. So probably an owl got a bird or a hawk got a bird. Maybe a falcon, who knows?
So a bird got a
Don't play
bird.
with them. They've been there for a long time.
All right, buddy. And we don't step in green because it might be poison ivy. And if you step in poison ivy, you get super itchy.
Daddy, did you stop in Daddy?
No, because I'm staying on the ground.
Oh, it doesn't look like poison ivy, but just to
It
be
doesn't.
careful.
Yeah.
Just looks like this, like clover.
Yeah. Somebody was putting together some kind of work here. I don't know why they bother, but
Fun.
yeah, probably. Or a demonstration from like the
This looks like it's been here a little bit. There's like moss and stuff up top.
No, that's a roof.
Well,
I wonder if
it still doesn't look like it was just placed there yesterday.
No, it's definitely old.
And there's definitely a lot more sticks here.
That's actually a house.
No, not a house. Just somewhere for somebody to lay down at night to get out of the wind and the rain if it's windy or raining.
There's also another trail right there.
Yeah.
Let's go.
No, we're gonna finish up our stuff.
Actually, that might bring us. Whatever. We'll follow the real trail.
That might actually be a west from the hill. We have to follow.
We're almost done, buddy. This whole thing is less than half a mile.
Remember how we dash with you?
I think there might be one at the end of this adventure. But I'm not sure.
There must be a prize out in there.
There doesn't have to be a prize. Life doesn't always give you prizes just because you reach the end.
Gideon, sometimes your prize is the experience itself. Did we have fun today?
Oh, saw some neat things. Yeah, if you keep those in your brain and you remember them, those are your prizes forever. I prefer a coffee.
And the Channels Trail.
We didn't get anything. Ooh, what are these there?
Not for eating. What color are they, Gideon?
Red.
Red normally means poisonous. Or this is the pavilion or the amphitheater right here.
It looks like it. Alright, so we'll have another question when we get up here. Hopefully not, but I need to be closer. No. Okay. According to the sign, maybe there's a sign over there. What statement is false? Certain bats have a lifespan of 60 years. Tree bats migrate south for the winter. Cave bats often roost in large colonies, or bats can see as well as humans, none are blind.
Oh, there's the tree bat and the cave bat. What?
Did you do the upper one?
Dun 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 dun. Does look like a fun place to hide or climb. There's a lot of holes in this tree.
Yes, there are.
Ah!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115,
so many holes.